Hello everyone, Osafo Singh here and you are welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to look at how course creators in Moodle can create courses. So let's just get started. To create a course, you have to click on courses, and as the manager for this site, I have categorized the various courses into sessions. So we have Faculty of Science, Faculty of Languages. We can do this to be able to organize the courses on Moodle. So let's click on Faculty of Science. So I'm going to add a course to Faculty of Science. So to add the course, when I click Faculty of Science, I click on Add a new course. Remember, you have this option if you are a course creator. So you click on Add a new course. So in this session, we are going to type the full name of the course. The course I'm going to create is called Introduction to Linear Algebra. And the short name, I'm going to use the course code ICTE 115. Sorry, 115. Okay, so here we have the course description. I'm just going to paste the course description over there. This is to enable students know what they are going to do in this course. And we have, if I have some files, I can add it here, but let's keep it. Then we have course format. This is very important because the way we want the course to appear on the site is very important. We have weekly formats, we have SRM format, but I'm going to pick the topic format so that I can organize the courses according to topics. So I pick the topic formats, and then the number of sessions is also showing down here. That's the number of sessions. Let me leave it up to, for the purpose of this tutorial, I just need only 2 sections. So I select 2 sessions, and then hidden sessions. Hidden sessions are shown in collapse form, so we can hide sessions. Then we have appearance. The appearance is also very important. We have force, language, do not force. Then we have a limited number of items we can show in the page. Then we have files and upload. In the files and upload, we are going to set an option for the maximum limit of size of file that we can upload, and the maximum is 8 megabytes. Then we have guest access. I'm going to select yes, and I'm not going to give any password to any guest. Then we have groups, so we can assign groups to this course. And then we have we can also rename roles. Renaming roles is very important because sometimes a manager, we want the manager to be seen as a teacher and course creator to be seen as a teacher, so we can rename roles for this course. So when we are satisfied with what we have done for the course, we have the name, the course short code, the description, and all the other options. We click on save changes. When we click on save changes, now we have mounted a course. So what we are going to do next is to add users to the course. So we are going to enroll users, and there are 2 ways we can do this. We can enroll users one by one. When I click on enroll users, we have a lot of users that I've added to this Moodle, so we can add them one by one to the course, which is very tedious. So what you have to do is that you have to group the users into cohorts, as I showed in the first tutorial. So I have grouped my users in cohorts, so I'm going to select the cohort, and then this course is for the ICT students, so I'm going to enroll users in the ICT cohort. So when I click on it, now successfully enroll 6 new users. So I click on OK, and I have enrolled 6 students in the ICT department. So I've enrolled these 6 students in the course. So finish enrolling users, and that is it. So what I'm going to do is that I'm moving straight. These are the enrolled users in the course over here. Okay, so let's go to the course and then start making some changes. So to go to the course, we have the badges over here, the generals, but let's click on the ICT 115. That is a short code. So let me click on that course. It will take me to the main course page. Okay, so this is the main course page that we want to enter. So I selected just 2 topics. So I'm going to enter the first page over here is for the introduction to the course. Then we have topics for the course. So I'm going to click turn on editing in order to be able to start editing these options. So I click on turn on editing. And what I'm going to do is that I have the introduction to this course in here. So I have the introduction to this course over here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the introductions to the course. Okay, going to copy this and just paste it. In order to edit whatever is here, I just click on this edit summary options over here, and it is going to give me a word editor in here, and I just click on paste. So I'm going to paste course description over here. Okay, so I just click on save, and this is the introduction to ICT 115, but there is a mistake in the course code, so I'm going to just go back in there and then edit. So click on this editing option over here, the editing option. It will take me back in here, and I'm going to make a change to that. The course code is 115, so 15. Okay, and I'm just going to save. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is to learn how to upload materials. So we are going to upload materials to this introduction page. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to upload the course manual, and we can do that by using this option, add an activity or resource. So I click on add an activity or resource, and what I'm going to add, we have various activities here that we can select from. I'll be talking about that in the next video. And then we have files that we can select from. So I'm going to select file, and then in the file I'm going to click on add. So I'm going to add the course manual to this course, to this page, so that students can have access to the course manual and download. So the file name is going to be course manual course manual, and the description will be something like this. Okay, and the content, now with this new technology I can just drag and drop the content. So I'm just going to the content, and I'm going to drag and drop the course manual here. So drag and drop the content. Okay, good. So I have the course manual in there, and I just click on save and return to course. So I have successfully uploaded the course manual to the course page. Okay, so this is the main course page. This is the introduction, course description, and I have all these things here, the grading policy and everything in here. And I have now added the course manual, so when students log in they can access the course manual. So that is how we start developing the course on Moodle. We can add various files to the course as we go along. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this. See you in the next tutorial, where I'll be discussing adding activities and topic 1. Thank you.